'Tis the season and Christmas is approaching. Maybe you wanted to see what it's like to put a 12-foot Christmas tree together right from the box. Well, this video is going to break it down and give you the expectations to understand that a 12-foot fake pre-lit Christmas tree is not so easy to put together. But I'm going to make it as simple as possible for you guys so you could understand for yourselves if you want to undertake this challenge. And at the end, stay tuned and you'll see how beautiful this Christmas tree is decorated by my amazing wife. So let's begin. So as you can see right here, the box comes in two sections because you can't fit it in one box, you need two. Now the boxes themselves are fairly heavy. I would say they're about maybe 40, 50 pounds each. Keep that in mind when you're trying to store this in a certain area. I was able to put it in the garage shelves out of the way for most of the year, but it was easy for me to take down. Let's open this up and start putting this together. Now this particular model comes with a heavy duty stand. You can see right here. Just know the base is gonna be wide on a 12-foot tree, so you're gonna wanna make sure that stand sits a little far away from your walls so you don't damage them. Now last year, I left these sections on the tree. Once the tree's up, decorated, you're never even gonna know it. Don't forget to tighten down the first one so it doesn't move. And then you're just simply gonna slowly unfold it, let it drop. The branches are made out of metal. Now, since this is a pre-lit tree, what I'm doing here, you just gotta make sure you're a little careful with it so you're not gonna ruin that chain of lights that are already on it. You just wanna simply kinda open it up and let it start falling where it's gonna fall, but never force it. Another thing I like to do before I start going from section to section, just kind of fluff it up a little bit so it kind of looks good. So that way it's a little bit easier at the end. You don't have to take too much time fluffing this up. So this is what it looks like. You can kind of see how it has these heavier duty metal pieces that are stuck in there, and it only allows you to drop the branch so low and it catches it. And then you can kind of see the quality of these branches. They really do look alive and real once you start fluffing them up and moving them around. Real easy to do. And then you just simply put the next section in, and build it all the way up until you get to that 12-foot section. So now that the first section is in, you're gonna wanna spin it to the area that you want the tree to sit. Now the plug is already here. I'm gonna make sure the plug is towards the back of the tree so it's hidden. And then I'm gonna just barely touch the wall on the back and then the side over there, so I know that we're good. And then another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in so as we raise the sections, we'll know that every section is illuminated and working well. All right. So you just saw how simple it was to put this Christmas tree together. I would say I did speed it up for you so you didn't see it in real time, but I would estimate it to be about a half hour, 45 minutes to put this Christmas tree together. And the quality of it is one of the best Christmas trees we've ever had in the past. We used to love going to get our real Christmas trees that were 12 and 13 feet. But as the seasons go on, people are starting to take those bigger trees themselves, and it was harder for us to find that perfect tree for our area. This 12-foot pre-lit Christmas tree is the perfect tree to fill that spot and make it still look like it's a real tree. Sometimes people do come over once it is fully decorated. They do wonder if it was fake or not. So the manufacturer did a great job about designing it and creating it to give it the most lifelike features. Now, the pre-lit option is wonderful, but my wife loves to have a very well-lit tree, so she's gonna be even adding more lights to this to make it bright at night. If you didn't want to do that, there's plenty of lights on here. You'll be fine with that. When you are putting the sections together, just take note, always fluff them as you go up. So at the end, it's a lot easier just to fix some small areas rather than trying to fluff the whole tree at once. Because it is a 12-foot tree, you're gonna get a little overwhelmed. It's also easier if you have two people to put it up, probably cut the time in half, but as you saw, you can do it by yourself, what I just did. When you are using the ladder, just be careful when you are getting up to those top sections because the top of the tree is still gonna be heavy and it's a little awkward to reach over and get it down into the slot. Now the base is very strong. You can move it easily. There's little rubber pads underneath it so that way you could shuffle it in place if need be. And gentlemen, when your wives are decorating the tree, I know they don't want you to touch it, but help them with the top ornaments and star up there because it is high up off the ground and they might need a little assistance if they're a little shaky on that ladder. And that's it. I'm gonna leave the comment below for the exact tree that you just saw me put together. I recommend it. It's lifelike, it's great, it stores away easily, and it is the perfect addition for the holiday season in our home. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope this answered any questions you might have about putting a 12-foot fake Christmas tree together inside your house. Please comment below if you have any other questions. Thanks again for watching, and Merry Christmas, everyone.